Hey guys, welcome back in CodeSphere. So today in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can implement delete functionality in the recycler view. So for this guys, here you can see that when I will click on the image view, so we will go to this your questions and here you can see that there is a delete button, and if I will click on it, so it will delete the question, and now we have only one question. And when you will go back, so you will see that question where is NASA. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do this. So without wasting time, let's start. First of all, here you can see that this is a your question item.xml file. So I have already told you that you have to create this by your own, because I have already shown you that how to do it. The codes will be almost same to the related recycler view activity. Fine guys, so here you can see that this is just a item.xml and it is for your questions. Here you can see your questions guys. The only difference here is this delete button, so you have to add this text view of having text delete. Fine. And next after this guys, you have to come here and same procedure again. You have to create a new method. You can see this is set item related. Fine, instead of this here I have created set item delete. See, everything is same. And after this guys, here you have to come in the your questions, and now you can see that all the codes are same. Recycler view and then recycler view code. The only difference here is this your questions. Fine, the reference is different, otherwise all the codes are different, same, sorry. And here the method is different. Fine guys, and then after this, here you can see that I'm using another reference, and this is for deleting the questions. So I will show you how you can do it. Fine, so it will be a very simple process. Here all you have to do is let me delete these codes because they are not required. Delete them all, and then here simply just uncomment this one, and now we need this time. Understand? So after getting that time, here you have to simply write is holder dot delete button. So let me go here in this view holder Java, and here we have this delete button. So I will declare this one above. So simply text view and write delete button. After this we can call it here. Fine, delete button dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and here we will just create a simple method delete, and parameter is going to be time. Very simple. And then simply come here in this fragment 2. Here we have the codes. You have to copy it from here, then simply come here back, and just after this recycler view, paste it. Now we have this. So all here you have to do is simply change the reference, and that is going to be user questions, not update profile, user questions. And just create a new toast message, toast deleted. Fine. And after this guys, you have to simply do this thing once more. Simply write, oops, yeah. So you have to again copy the codes, control plus C, and then paste it here again. This time make this query 1, and also make this query 1, and the reference is going to be all questions. So it will delete the questions from all questions and the user questions. Fine. And it will also show the toast message. Then after this guys, you have to run the app. So as you can see that the app is running absolutely good. So after this, I will open this fragment 2, and I will click on this image view, and then I'm waiting for the questions to retrieve here. Then we can proceed, and that is because of my Wi-Fi is slow. So question is retrieved. Then I will click on this. Then we will go in the your questions, and oops, you can see that the app is crashed. Why it is crashed? Let me open this your questions. So first of all, we should check in the view holder, because maybe it is because of wrong reference. So here you can see that I have copied this in the image view. So it is a text view, and we are using it in an image view. That's why the app was crashed. Here you have to write delete button, then run the app again. This time we will have no error. So guys, you can see that the app is running properly again. This time I will click on it. Then we will go in the your questions, and I clicked on it, and you can see that the questions are retrieved. And when I will click on the button delete, so the questions are deleted. And when you will open the all questions, you will go back, so you will see that there is only two questions. You can see that only two questions. Fine. And you can see that the codes are working absolutely fine. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will never miss any update. Thank you for watching.